Hello everyone. Today's project is actually going to be tidying up this deck. As you can see, it's a mess. I've got 4 young boys, they play all over this, and what's happening is this is like recycled timber and it's getting a bit aged and it's starting to splinter, and some of the nail holes are coming back up, the nails are coming back out, so I've got to repunch them and just give it another coat of oil. So yeah, that's my project for today. Rightio, now that's cleared out of the road, bit of room to move. We'll go through and knock down all these nails that need to be tapped down a little bit further, and then after that obviously do a bit of sanding and blow it all off, and then give it a coat of varnish or oil in this case. Thank God that's all finished. Okay, I've punched every nail in. What I'm going to have to do now is actually get the belt sander out and give it a good sand, because there's a lot of splinters and everything like that in it. Okay, g'day. Day 2. Today, I'm decided that I'm not going to go ahead and fill every hole in the floor here. I'm only going to go ahead and just fix up the most damaged ones and ones that have got like potential to give you splinters and whatever. So I'm just going to go through quickly and just patch a few holes, sand it, and then we're going to oil it, and that'll be all over. Be done and dusted. That's one coat. I'll just go ahead and do another coat in about 2 hours time and she's all over. Coming up quite alright though.